In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set your name to display at the lock screen of your iPhone, and I'll be showing you two methods you can use to achieve this. The first method is an inbuilt feature on the iPhone, but it has limitations because it only makes your name to appear at the bottom of the lock screen, so you can't customize it and make it to appear at the center of the screen. While second method involves you to download a third-party app from the app stores, and that method allows you to customize the name or the text to appear anywhere on the lock screen, either at the center, at the left, or at the middle. And also it allows you to change the fonts and also to add background. So now let's start with the first one. So for the first method, come to your iPhone. On your iPhone, look for settings. You can see here settings, tap on settings. If you tap on settings, scroll a bit down, you can see here focus. Tap on focus. If you tap on focus, you can see this plus icon at the top right. Tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see here option 1, custom. Tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see here name. So come here and put your name or whatever text you want to put. For instance, I'll come here and put my name, Mr. Bouquet. If I put my name, I can come down here and select emoji or anything I want. I'll leave it here. Also, you can change the color of the text. You can see from here anyhow. So after that, come and tap on this next here. If you tap on the next, tap on this customize focus. You can see. So after here, now just go back. If you go back, then scroll this way. If scroll this way, you can see here focus. Just tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see here Mr. Bouquet. Just select it. So right now you can see it's on. If I lock my screen right now, you will see Mr. Bouquet will appear at the bottom of the lock screen, just like this. You can see, right? So that's it for method 1. And for method 2, to do it is very simple. Also, just go to your app stores, then tap on app stores. If you tap on app stores, then search for this app here, Widgetsmith app. Install the app. After that, tap and open the app. If you open the app, it brings you just like this. We have here all widget, home screen and lock screen. So come here and select lock screen option here. If you select it, then scroll down a bit, then you can see right here add rectangular widget. Tap on it. If you tap on it, then scroll down a bit, you can see here custom text. Tap on it. If you tap on it, then you can see here text. Tap on text. If you tap on text, you can come here and then put the text you want, your name or any text. I'll come here also and just add or type Mr. Bouquet, my name. So as I said, on this method here, it allows you to customize the text. For instance, I can come here on this theme and tap on the theme here. I can change the background of the text and also the font of the text. Look at, there are all different fonts here, or the background, or I can leave it on non-background. Also, I can change the alignment of the text, whether I want the text or my name to be at the center, at the left, or at the right. After that, just come right here, up here, you can see here settings. Tap on it and then name the widget. Just come here for instance and give it a name so that you can always remember it. I can also leave it Bouquet for instance. So go back and then tap on this save. If you tap on save, then close the app and then come to your settings on your phone. Tap on settings, and on settings scroll down and look for wallpaper. You can see right here wallpaper. Tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see this option here, customize wallpaper. Tap on it. If you tap on it, you will get something like this. Then tap right here. You can see here add widget. Then scroll down and look for Widgetsmith. You can see the app here. So if you see it, just tap on it. If you tap on it, then swipe left. You can see here is the rectangular shape that you selected. Just tap on it. If you tap on it, then tap right here. If you tap right there, you can see what you save, Bouquet. So tap right here. If you tap right there, you will see that your name that you type will appear right here, Mr. Bouquet. You can see, right? So just close right here and close right here and then tap on this done. If you tap on done, right now you can see once I just lock my phone screen, you see the name will appear there boldly. You can see, right? You can see right here, Mr. Bouquet, it has appeared here boldly. So as I said, on this very second method, You can change how you want the text to be, either at the middle or at the left. So guys, that is it. Thanks for watching and bye.